Hi everyone, I thought I would share my October Yarnable with you guys. So let's take a look at what I got in my Yarnable subscription. So, sorry about the crinkle. Let's pull this out and get rid of that. So we got a bunch of stuff here today. So let's take a look. I might need my glasses for some of it. Alright, get my glasses. So the first thing that I see is we got some tea. Halloween blend black tea. It's black tea, Robios tea, apple pieces, and a mix of vanilla essences. That's cool. Oh, I don't want it to blow out. Oh, it's blowing out. Come on. There it is. There's the tea. Alright, and then we got some tip toppers product. Protects needle tips and secures stitches. And it fits sock needles. Oh, come on. Come on, quit blowing out. There it goes. And these are what they look like. They're so totally adorable. Those are super cute. You put them on the end of the knitting needles to keep your stitches from slipping off. Those are really cute. Then we have a bag. And in the bag, there's a few things. I'm going to put these little ones in here. It's a really nice bags. They give those to us every month. They're really helpful for notions. So this comes from the Shop Country Kitchen. And these are cookie cutters. I'm hoping they don't blow out too much. There we go. So this one here is a ghost. Now flip it upside down. And this one's a pumpkin. So that's cool. So we got some cookie cutters. And then we got this little matchbox. This is a kawaii cross-stitch pumpkin in a matchbox. So, there's the pumpkin matchbox. And that is what it will look like. And you've got everything you need in here. Can't quite see it. It's got the canvas, a needle, and the thread, and the pattern. So, you've got the thread and everything you need and instructions. And there's a little piece of canvas in there, and there's a little needle in there, and that's really cool. And then next we've got a beautiful pom-pom, which I can't wait to show you about this. The pom-pom is by, oops, here's who the pom-pom's by Nor'easter Pom-Poms. And check it out. You squeeze this and it comes off. Come on. And it comes off. It's a clip. So you take the tag off. So there's, you got the little prongs. So I'm going to take my hat. I'm going to take my hat and I'm going to put the little prongs through the hat. One there and one here. And I'm going to flip my hat and there's the prongs right there. Now I take my clip and I squeeze it and put my prongs back through it. And there's my pom-pom. And that's super cool. So then you've got, here it is, your hat with your pom-pom. And you can change it out. So you can change out your pom-pom. When you want to wash your hat, you just take your pom-pom off. And those little things on the end, I don't even feel them on my head. See? I don't feel those little prong things. Don't feel them at all. Not at all on my head. So that's super cool. So I love that. These are super cool. I'm going to try to remember to put the link to the website for these pom-poms. Oh. Handmade in the USA. And Nor'easter pom-poms. So I'm going to try and put the link down there in the description box. And last but not least, we have our yarn, which is super cool. So, bam! It is called Spellbound, and it is a DK weight. It is 85% superwash merino, 15% nylon, and it is 246 yards, and it is blowing out. There we go. But it is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I really, really love this yarn. I love it. It's so pretty. So that's fantastic. So in October's Yarnable, oh, I'm going to read you the joke before I tell you. So in the joke is, what, I want to read it correctly. I don't want to mess it up. It says, what do you use to mend a jack-o'-lantern? What do you use to mend a jack-o'-lantern? Let's see some of the answers in the description box. What do you use to mend a jack-o'-lantern? That's really cool. So, in October's month, we've got the beautiful yarn. We got the pom-pom. We got the bag. We got tea. We got the needle toppers. We got the little kawaii cross stitch, which is so cute. And we got the cookie cutters. This was absolutely an awesome, amazing box. I love it. We also got a coupon code, which is good on future purchases for the month. So I absolutely love it. I hope you guys do too. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.